Have you ever wondered how a simple makeup technique can completely transform your look, making it perfectly suited to your unique face shape? Today, let's explore the beautiful world of the ombre lip and its surprisingly rich history. It's not just a trend. It's a timeless art form that has evolved over centuries to enhance natural beauty. The concept of a gradient lip isn't new. In ancient East Asia, particularly during the Tang dynasty in China and later in Korea, a style known as the cherry lip or bitten lip was incredibly popular. Women would use a vibrant red pigment, often made from natural sources like safflower, on the inner part of their lips, fading it outwards to create a soft, delicate look. This technique was more than just makeup. It symbolized youth, vitality, and a certain refined elegance. It was designed to make the mouth appear smaller and more petal-like, a highly coveted feature at the time. This soft gradient drew attention to the center of the face, creating a harmonious and balanced appearance. Fast forward to the early 20th century in the West. The silent film era brought a new set of beauty standards, heavily influenced by the black and white screen. Actresses like Clara Bow, the original It Girl, popularized the Cupid's bow lip to make their lips stand out on camera and create dramatic expressions. Makeup artists would overline the Cupid S bow and the center of the bottom lip with a darker shade, then fill the rest with a lighter color. This early form of lip contouring wasn't a soft fade like the Asian bitten lip, but a more defined theatrical ombre. It was all about creating depth and dimension under the harsh studio lights, giving the illusion of a fuller, more perfectly shaped pout. The 1990s and early 2000s saw a major resurgence of the ombre lip, especially within Black and Latina communities. This was the era of the bold lip liner. Picture this: a deep brown or even black liner sharply defining the edges of the lips, then filled in with a much lighter nude, pink, or even just a clear gloss. This high-contrast look was iconic and powerful. It wasn't just about aesthetics. It was a cultural statement. This style beautifully accentuated the natural fullness of the lips, making them the undeniable focal point of the face. It was a bold, confident expression of beauty that has since influenced countless modern makeup trends. So, how does this all relate to your face shape? The magic of the ombre lip lies in its ability to manipulate light and shadow. Think of it like contouring for your mouth. If you have a longer face, horizontal ombre, where the sides of your lips are slightly darker and the center is lighter, can create an illusion of width, balancing your features. For a round or square face, a traditional vertical ombre with a darker shade on the outer edges fading to a lighter shade in the center draws the eye inward and upward, adding a touch of softness and length to the lower half of your face. It's a subtle trick that makes a huge difference. Today, the ombre lip is more versatile than ever. We see everything from soft, natural gradients, perfect for everyday wear, to bold, multicolored creations for artistic expression. You can use a dark liner and a nude lipstick for that classic 90s vibe, or blend to similar shades of pink for a soft, romantic effect. The technique remains the same. Create a gradient of color to add dimension. Start by applying your darker shade to the outer corners and along the lip line. Then, take your lighter shade and apply it to the center. The key is to blend, blend, blend where the two colors meet. You can use a lip brush, your fingertip, or even just press your lips together to create a seamless transition. The beauty of the ombre lip is its adaptability. It's not a one-size-fits-all trend. It's a technique you can customize to enhance your unique features, whether you want to make your lips look fuller, more defined, or simply add a pop of creative color to your makeup routine. From ancient petal-like pouts to the bold statements of the 90s and the sophisticated gradients of today, the ombre lip proves that some beauty secrets are truly timeless. It's a celebration of history, culture, and personal style, all in one beautiful pout. So next time you pick up your lip liner and lipstick, remember the incredible journey of this technique and have fun making it your own. Thanks for watching.